Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's time for our March 2021 original Stamp Club reveal. Can you believe it is March of 2021? Me either. It's just running by so fast, and I'm so excited to show you the stamp set. Now, let me tell you something. This is a workhorse stamp set. This is one you're going to get so much use out of. You're going to want to keep it close at hand. And I don't even think we realized how great it was until we started doing our samples for you guys. It's amazing. Now, before I flip it, I want to tell you, if you'd like to join our club, why not? It's a great time to join. It's the spring. We got a lot of stuff going on. We actually have 2 different stamp clubs, and all the information are in the description below. There's links to send you to the product pages. But in the gist, it's $11.99 a month if you're in the U.S. for a full-size 4x6 stamp set, and it's $13.49 if you're outside of the U.S., and that includes your shipping. So literally $11.99 or $13.49, and you become a club member, which gets you a discount on most of your purchases in the store. So there you go. That's about the club. There's more information on the video, in the clips or the links that I left you below. Wow, my brain's not wanting to talk today. So let's figure this out. All right, ready? Dun, 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 dun. Look at this. This set is called More Big Time Sayings. Now, if you're familiar with our original Big Time Saying set, you will know it too is a workhorse set. But look at this one. So you get 4 huge words, okay? You get sensational, terrific, fantastic, and phenomenal. And then you get all of these to go with it. And they can go in so many different ways. So let me read these, and then we'll talk about how they mix up. So may your day be, wishing you a holiday season, retirement, thanks for being so, inside and out, day, you are, birthday, you're absolutely, anniversary, I think you are, friends like you are, times ahead, and make today. So let's talk about how we mix them up. Look, make today phenomenal, make today terrific, sensational, or fantastic, or all 4, okay? And then this is the one you're going to use all the time. Wishing you a terrific retirement, wishing you a sensational anniversary, wishing you a phenomenal day. May your day be phenomenal, terrific, sensational. There's so many possibilities here, and I want to show you our samples because I think this is one you're going to use all the time. Okay, so to do something a little different this time, I asked Taylor and Shannon to help me make the sample. Shannon usually helps, but I brought Taylor in because we each made a sample because I wanted you to see how each one of us would use it differently. So check this out. This is Taylor's, and her friend at school is retiring. It's actually her boss at her school where she works at her university is retiring, and she wanted to make her a retirement card. So look at this. Wishing you a phenomenal retirement. Who doesn't want to have a phenomenal retirement, right? And all she did was pull paper for this. No sentiments, no anything, just paper. So she pulled some paper from the Mente line. This is some Echo Park paper. So is this one. And that's it. And she made her card happen. Perfect, right? So she has lots of space to write inside. Next is Shannon's. Okay. I just showed this paper on Thursday. It's gorgeous. And Shannon has an anniversary coming up on Monday. So it'll be the Monday after you see this video. So she wanted to make her husband an anniversary card. Look at this card. Wishing you a terrific anniversary. I just love it. And she used the paper line called Tell It to the Bees that we just got in. It's incredible. The navies and the mustards and the tans, it's absolutely so pretty. And look how cool. I love how she did a banner from this side and a banner from this side, and she even inked them. It looks amazing. So great job on that one. And then mine is a little bit different. And if you saw the video that went up today at 1 o'clock, you'll know that I'm kind of jumping on this trend because I think this is really, really fun. I made a mini slimline. I'm really into these, guys. I think this is so cool. What I really love about it is look how big our sentiments get on this size card. I think that's cool. But what I did was I pulled out from an old Easter set these 2 chicks, which I think are hilarious, and then a little flower sticker, and I just did some paper. I did some score lines in the background. Can you see that? And here I did Friends Like You Are Sensational. And this card is actually for one of my little chicks. You know, I'm in a group called the Chilton Chicks. And this is for one of my chicks. I'm sending it to her. And on the inside, wishing you a fantastic day. You guys, you can do so much with this set. You're going to use it for everything. It goes with any image you have. It goes with any other focal point you want to use. You can do just words. The only sample I didn't do for you, which I thought would be really cool, is if you did these words in the background, all the words in the background, and then put your other sentiment in front of it. So you made your own background paper out of all these words. I think that'd be really cool. Or have the words drop down, the big words drop down, and then add other small words. So many possibilities. And this is a needed set. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. It's one of those you'll never stop using. So, you know the deal. If you're in the club or if you purchase this set, it is available for purchase in the store. We always add whatever's left after the shipment into the store before we make another order. So if you miss out on it this time, it'll be back. But all we ask you to do now so that you can win a $50 gift card is make something using the stamp set, post it to our customer gallery, and each month we give away a $50 gift card to the store. We have a winner we're announcing today. That'll be in the description below, so just open the description. I always film this before the giveaway is up, so you can check that out in the description. And good luck for next time. Thanks so much for being a part of our club. We have so much fun coming up with different ideas for you. And I just know how popular our Big Time Saying Set has been ever since it came out, because how useful it is. And I thought we need more big time sayings. So here you go. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great one. Till next time. Bye now.